bought this case about a year ago, never ended up using it for anything. I don't have any video camera format type cameras that it really suits. So anyway, I had a thought today. I pulled it out and it's now my DJI Neo case. Got one kind of internal pocket plus these side pockets. I've got this little tin here that my sister got me. And if I can open it. So that's nice little strong tin for my props, so the props don't get bent out of shape, my spare props. I've got one in here and one broken one because I replaced my props, my one prop a couple of days ago. That's a broken one. So I've only got one prop, but I've got a whole set of 4 coming. So the 4, I'll be able to squeeze the 4 in there with the screwdriver. So that's my little mobile repair kit. Just slots in there. Like that. And then down here, got another pocket on the other side, but I haven't got anything to put in that one yet. Charge cable. I guess I could probably get a power brick too. So that goes there. The drone goes in sideways, like that. Actually, the other way. Like that seems to fit the best. So that slots in like that. It's a little tight, but well, actually it's not really that tight at all. It's pretty loose. It's not going to do any damage to the drone. And the only other thing I'd probably want to fit in there, which could slide down there, although it'd be nice to have some barrier between the drone, but I can put the phone in there because I have a dedicated phone for using the drone. That's here, DJI. It's a bit tall. On the plus side, because it's a bit higher than the drone, it will help stop this cover pulling down on these guards. So that'd be kind of, that'll do up all right, I'd say. Might be a bit tight. The other possibility, well, I don't think I'll carry it in there, but I could do it in an emergency. I can carry the phone in my other, Mini 4 Pro case. So anyway, that's my new DJI Neo case.